Welcome to my mom's bathroom. I'm at my parents' house because mine is too small in summer. Anyways, so have you guys ever cared about changing into a new shower head? Or do you even remember you changed the shower head into a new one? You know how I've been telling you guys about the new shower head from the Waters? Well, I got it for my parents' house too, so we use the same one. And as for me, I've been using it for about 50 days, about a month and a half. And this is what it happened. Yesterday when I checked, this was what it happened. If you get home tonight, when you're taking a shower, please check out the shower head and see how it looks like. If that's the quality water that we have been taking a shower with and wash our hair, no wonder we'll be suffering from, itchy scalp, itchy skin. Oh, isn't that something that we want to avoid, right? And micro pad is right on the top. My mom she have probably used it for about a month now. Oh, hers has changed to a little bit brownish too. Because if you're living in the place if you're living in the apartments that's more than 10 years, it is very likely that your water pipe has been rusty. Why does this water shower head make so special? Okay, so that's the secret. Inside of this, there is vitamin C and fish collagen. But we're talking about nearly 72% of the cartridge is made with the vitamin C. Fish collagen of 2.32%. I wish they have a little bit more so that I can take the collagen shower too. Why? Because this vitamin C and collagen is essential to our hair loss. It's in Korean, but let me translate for you. The reason for hair loss can be a collagen, and the answer can be a vitamin C. So if you're suffering from the hair loss, my special recommendation is going for those who's suffering from hair loss. Me too! Plus, they're mixed with the 100% natural lavender oil. You feel like you're in a spa. Yeah. There's a magnet inside, so what it does is it breaks down the water into smaller pieces so that when you're actually taking a shower, you feel like you're under the waterfall. You can feel that breeziness, right? You can feel that freshness and you're in the waterfall. And the water consistency is great as well, even though it's a functional. Try to remember the last time you changed your shower head, right? And it's time for us to take a shower with a good quality of water too. All right, thank you very much for tuning in. My pores are now bigger than ever, so I'm gonna say goodbye and